Hi guys, Tamara Lankowski from HealthyTreatsMarket.com, and I'm going to show you how easy it is to make a big 12 serving of bread. You can do this in an 11 by 17 pan, or if you've got a pan like what I've got, you can do it in here, okay? We're going to start with 3 cups of egg whites. And just so you know, you can add more egg whites. I like thick, dense bread, so I'm doing the exact recipe that's on the back. 3 cups of the skinny mix or the garlic bread mix. Those are both bread mixes. You can do either one. And 1.5 cups of plain non-fat Greek yogurt. That's it. You just mix this up, pour it in a pan, and bake at 350 for 20 minutes. Okay? I'm going to mix it. And it does thicken up as it sits. Okay, so now, you know what guys, you could pour it in a pan by 11 by 17 pan, but I'm gonna make like burger buns out of it. So what I'm gonna do is spray my burger buns. And I'm just gonna plop some here. It's probably easier doing it like this. You can put less if you want the bread to be thin. I just care about getting my mixes in a day, okay? Okay, and now what I'm going to do, I'm going to take my hands. I don't do this at the market, but for home, this is what I do for myself, and I spray it. Or you can wet your hands. You can also just wet your hands and just go like this a little bit. See how it comes out? Okay. And we're gonna bake this at 350 for about 20 minutes. Okay guys, we're gonna bake this at 350 for about 20 minutes. When it's done, I'll go back to show you what it looked like. But this is how easy it is to use HealthyTreatsMarket.com. There's enough testimonies out there for you guys to see that this works, okay? The difference between our stuff and keto stuff is we don't put garbage. We don't put any additives or preservatives in our stuff. Our stuff is all grain-free, gluten-free. A lot of times you can buy keto bread and it's full of gluten because you can make bread with gluten and call it keto because gluten's a protein. But that doesn't mean it's going to get you healthy, and it doesn't mean it's going to make you lose weight. This stuff works, and the testimonies on the website are just a little bit to explain that to you. Okay, guys, thank you so much for watching. God bless you.